You love everything home and interior design. Now SOCO, Southern California's destination for interior design inspiration, is bringing you another binge-worthy series. We'll talk to the true masters of design to give you the tips and resources you need to master your own domain. I'm Carrie Freitas, and this is SOCO's Masters of Design. Today on SOCO's Masters of Design, we're talking storage. Not just any storage, like container store storage, that is file cabinets, different kinds of clear acrylic containers. We're talking stylish storage, the storage that you're fine having out in the open and featuring as a design element in your home. Join us today as we show you the most stylish storage for your home. Shelving is one of the easiest ways to attain stylish storage. At Hay Designs at SOCO, you'll find a number of options of great shelving for your home. Check out the Hay Design shelves for your kitchen, which feature a more industrial look, perfect for today's home chef. And also check out the Eiffel. It's a series of modular designed shelving units that can be changed out and has a really great silhouette that reminds us of the Eiffel Tower. Super good looking for any room of your home. BoConcept offers us a very sleek storage solution in its Como wall system. You'll love the customized look of this system that is the perfect foil for putting any of your objects, mementos from your travels, books, you name it, to create a design statement in your living room or anywhere else in your home. All right, so get your inner Marie Kondo ready for this. At Room & Board, they've just introduced the Beam Closet System. So not only can you get a great looking customized closet, you can do it all online with their virtual design tool. Put shelves where you want them, drawers where you want them, racks where you want them. It's the ultimate in stylish storage. Storage isn't only for your bookcases and closets, it's also for your home bar. At Robert Westley, the corridor bar is a beautiful piece of furniture that also functions as a full stocked bar. Close the louvered doors to hide the bottles or open them up and show everyone your collection of high-end tequilas and brandies, you name it. The corridor bar at Robert Westley is a great storage solution. Get creative with your storage at home by using an antique as a storage unit. You can use it as a buffet, as a desk. You can hide everything behind doors and drawers, and it adds a really nice touch of patina and history to your home. CSWO has a wonderful selection of Asian antiques that'll fit the bill. Modernize your storage solutions with a beautiful, sleek, and contemporary console from Natuzzi. The Ido console has wonderful modern elements and design that make it the perfect storage solution for your living room, bedroom, or other rooms in your home. The nightstand is often a place that we struggle with organization. Instead of having a messy nightstand that brings clutter into your mind and less peace at night, the Kona nightstand at Modani is the perfect solution. 2 large drawers hide things away, but still leave you with a tabletop and a display stand for your treasures. Whether you're a naturally organized person or it takes you a little push to get organized, we hope you've enjoyed this episode on stylish storage solutions from SOCO.